Welcome back to the mysterious microscopic universe of Microbe World, where we uncover the hidden secrets living right on your skin. Have you ever wondered why some people enjoy perfectly flawless skin, while others constantly battle painful and stubborn acne breakouts? We often blame poor diet, but the real answer lies deep within the microscopic ecosystems thriving inside your tiny hair follicles. Meet Cutibacterium acnes, a tiny bacterial resident living peacefully on the faces of every single human being across the entire globe. If this bacteria exists on absolutely everyone, why does it only cause severe inflammation and painful pimples for certain unlucky individuals? For many decades, dermatologists viewed this microbe as the ultimate enemy, aggressively targeting it with harsh chemicals and powerful antibiotic treatments. However, recent breakthroughs in advanced genetic sequencing have completely shattered our traditional understanding of this incredibly complex microscopic living organism. Scientists have finally discovered that we have been unfairly blaming the entire species for the destructive actions of few rogue variants. Prepare to dive deep into the fascinating frontier science of the human microbiome, where incredible biological mysteries are unveiled before you. Today, we will explore the amazing genetic diversity of these microbes and introduce the ultimate biological predator, changing future skincare forever. Let us zoom closely into the invisible landscape of your facial skin, a vast terrain filled with deep valleys and hidden caves. These hidden caves are actually your hair follicles, producing essential natural oils called sebum to keep your delicate skin perfectly hydrated daily. Inside these dark and oily caverns, millions of tiny bacteria gather to feast on the abundant nutrients provided by your own body. Most of these microscopic residents are completely harmless, living quietly without ever triggering any negative reactions from your complex immune system today. But modern DNA analysis has revealed a shocking truth about our tiny companions living deep inside these dark and oily facial pores. The species known as Cutibacterium acnes is not just one single identical group of bacteria acting exactly the same way every time. Instead, they are divided into hundreds of distinct genetic strains, much like how human beings have different personalities and unique behavioral traits. Some of these bacterial strains act as loyal guardians, actively protecting your vulnerable skin from dangerous external threats and harmful invading pathogens. We call these friendly microbes the good strains, and they are absolutely crucial for maintaining a healthy and balanced microscopic skin ecosystem. These helpful friends produce gentle fatty acids that maintain a slightly acidic environment, which effectively stops dangerous fungi from growing too fast. They even secrete special natural antibiotic molecules that actively hunt down and destroy other truly malicious bacteria trying to invade your pores. Imagine these friendly strains as tiny microscopic gardeners, carefully tending to the health of your skin and keeping everything in perfect harmony. When you have a healthy population of these friendly microbes, your skin remains smooth, clear, and completely free from painful red pimples. But unfortunately, there is a dark side to this microscopic world, where certain genetic variants turn against their host and cause chaos. Meet the enemy strains, the aggressive and highly problematic genetic variations that are the true masterminds behind your frustrating and painful breakouts. Unlike their peaceful cousins, these hostile bacteria possess unique genetic codes that make them incredibly aggressive and highly destructive to human tissue. These rogue microbes produce massive amounts of destructive enzymes that rapidly break down your natural skin oils into highly irritating chemical compounds. As these irritating chemicals flood the delicate pore, they send a massive distress signal straight to your highly sensitive immune system. Your immune system responds by sending an army of white blood cells to the area, causing massive swelling, redness, and severe pain. This violent microscopic battleground is exactly what we see on the surface as a swollen, red, and painful acne pimple right now. For years, scientists could not understand why traditional treatments often failed to cure acne permanently or caused severe damage to healthy skin. The problem with standard antibiotics is that they act like massive biological bombs, destroying both the friendly guardians and the hostile enemies. When you wipe out the good bacteria alongside the bad, you leave your skin completely defenseless and vulnerable to even worse infections. Furthermore, these hostile enemy strains are incredibly smart, rapidly mutating their genetic codes to become completely resistant to our strongest antibiotic drugs. We needed a completely new strategy, a highly targeted biological weapon that could destroy only the bad strains without causing collateral damage. Enter the ultimate microscopic predator of the natural world. A creature that looks like it belongs in a futuristic science fiction movie. Meet the bacteriophage, an incredibly specialized virus designed by nature with one single terrifying purpose: to hunt down and destroy specific bacteria. These biological assassins look exactly like tiny robotic spiders or alien landing crafts, perfectly engineered to seek and destroy their specific targets. Bacteriophages are the most abundant biological entities on planet Earth, silently regulating bacterial populations in every single ecosystem known to modern science. What makes these viral predators so incredibly special is their absolute precision when hunting their chosen bacterial prey in the microscopic world. A specific bacteriophage will only attack one exact strain of bacteria, completely ignoring every other living organism in the surrounding microscopic environment. This means we can find specific phages that only hunt the aggressive acne-causing strains, leaving your friendly, protective bacteria completely unharmed. Let us watch this incredible biological hunt unfold in real time, under the lens of an incredibly powerful, advanced digital electron microscope. The tiny robotic virus drifts slowly through the oily environment of the pore, actively scanning the surface for its specific chemical target. Suddenly, its robotic legs lock onto the outer shell of an aggressive enemy bacteria, firmly anchoring itself to the doomed microscopic victim. With terrifying mechanical precision, the virus drives a tiny biological needle straight through the thick protective wall of the hostile bacterial cell. The phage then rapidly pumps its own deadly genetic material directly into the helpless bacteria, completely hijacking its internal biological manufacturing machinery. The infected bacteria is instantly transformed into a helpless virus factory, forced to build hundreds of identical copies of the deadly predator. As the internal pressure builds, the doomed bacteria swells up dramatically until it finally explodes violently, releasing hundreds of new viral assassins. This explosive process is called lysis, and it is the most effective natural way of permanently eliminating dangerous and highly uncontrollable bacteria. The newly born viruses immediately swim away into the dark pore, eagerly searching for more enemy bacteria to continue their deadly mission. This incredible, self-replicating biological army will continue to hunt and destroy until every single hostile bacteria is completely eliminated, permanently, today. Once all the enemy targets are destroyed, the viruses simply fade away harmlessly, leaving the friendly, protective bacteria completely untouched and healthy. This revolutionary concept is known as phage therapy, and it represents the absolute cutting edge of modern dermatological science and future skincare. Imagine a future where your daily skincare routine does not rely on harsh drying chemicals or destructive broad-spectrum antibiotic medical treatments. Instead, you simply apply a soothing, clear serum packed with millions of these microscopic, robotic assassins, perfectly programmed to protect your face. This living medicine would actively patrol your pores every single day, quietly eliminating any rogue bacterial strains before they cause severe inflammation. Because these viruses evolve alongside their bacterial prey, the hostile bacteria can never truly develop permanent resistance to this incredible biological weapon. Phage therapy could finally offer a permanent and completely natural cure for millions of people suffering from severe and painful acne globally. Scientists in advanced laboratories around the world are currently working tirelessly to isolate and purify the most effective viral strains for treatment. They are carefully mapping the incredibly complex genetic codes of both aggressive bacteria and their specific viral predators to ensure maximum safety. The process requires immense precision, as researchers must perfectly match the right viral assassin to the exact bacterial strain causing the problem. Clinical trials have already shown incredibly promising results, with patients experiencing massive reductions in severe inflammation without any harmful negative side effects. This breakthrough completely shifts our perspective from blindly destroying all microbes to carefully managing and balancing our complex microscopic facial skin ecosystem. We are finally learning to work together with natural, ancient biological mechanisms, instead of constantly fighting against them with harsh synthetic chemicals. The human body is not just a single organism, but rather a vast and incredibly diverse planet hosting trillions of microscopic inhabitants. Every single pore on your face is a complex, thriving jungle, where the delicate balance of life and death plays out daily. By understanding the intricate relationships between friendly bacteria, hostile strains, and viral predators, we unlock the ultimate secrets to perfect skin health. The next time you look deeply into a mirror, remember that you are looking at a magnificent and highly complex biological universe. That tiny red bump on your face is not a simple annoyance. It is the visible aftermath of a massive microscopic war. It is the physical evidence of your incredible immune system fighting bravely against hostile microscopic invaders trying to destroy your delicate tissue. But very soon, your brave immune system will not have to fight this exhausting and painful microscopic battle entirely on its own. We will provide it with the ultimate biological reinforcements: a highly trained army of viral assassins, ready to restore perfect balance instantly. The era of blindly nuking our skin with harsh and destructive chemical treatments is rapidly coming to a highly anticipated welcome end. We are entering a beautiful new age of precision biological medicine, where we gently guide our microbiome back into perfect natural harmony. This incredible frontier science proves that the most powerful medical solutions are often found hidden deep within natural, ancient, microscopic biological battles. As we continue to decode the incredible mysteries of the human microbiome, we will discover even more amazing ways to heal ourselves. From treating severe skin conditions to curing complex internal diseases, the potential applications for precision phage therapy are absolutely limitless and extraordinary. The tiny robotic viruses that once seemed like terrifying science fiction monsters are actually our greatest allies in the fight for health. They are the silent guardians of the microscopic world, maintaining the delicate balance of life across every single ecosystem on our planet. So the next time you hear the word virus, do not immediately think of dangerous diseases or terrifying global medical health pandemics. Remember the incredible bacteriophage, the tiny robotic assassin that might just hold the ultimate secret to achieving perfectly clear and glowing skin? The microscopic world is full of endless surprises, where our greatest enemies can suddenly become the victims of even more powerful predators. We hope this deep dive into the fascinating genetics of skin bacteria has completely changed the way you view your own biology. Understanding the complex science behind your skin is the absolute best way to make smart and highly effective choices for your health. Are you ready to welcome an army of tiny viral assassins onto your face to protect your skin from painful daily breakouts? Share your honest thoughts and questions in the comments section below, and let us start a fascinating discussion about this incredible science. Your active participation helps us create even more amazing scientific content that uncovers the hidden mysteries of the microscopic world around us. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey through the fascinating microscopic battlegrounds hidden deep within your facial pores. Do not forget to follow Microbe for more amazing discoveries. because a pimple is merely the graveyard of a microscopic war.